Inhabited terraces. Composed of 3 levels, it is the superposition of volumes governed by sets of directions that defines this project. The first level houses the garage and guest suites. This garden level is defined by the extension of the access road and the square. Clad in natural stone, it is the base of the house on which the other levels are placed following a directional logic defined by choices of views of the landscape. The main level is cantilevered, sheltering the terrace of the guest suites on the garden level. This level is characterized by its transparency. The very long length of glazing in the living room opens onto the terrace, which becomes a belvedere. The kitchen is part of a glass cube with always this desire to live outside while being sheltered. Inside, we find on the ground the stone present outside. From the entrance, an elevator serves the different floors from the garage. In the middle of the living room, a fireplace defines the living room from that of the dining area. The last level is intended for the bedrooms, each equipped with a bathroom and a terrace. Reference: XXL. Location: south of France. Year: 2019. Category: house. Status: delivered. Area: 450 square meters. Photographs: Brings. https://www.brangwayslepavec.com/brangwayslepavec-architect. Scenic line. This extension is the result of a need for expansion for this house in the south of France from a family inheritance. Located at the bottom of a plot of slender geometry, it has the privilege of taking advantage of its strategic position, at the top of a hill and offering breathtaking views of the neighboring villages. We proposed for the implementation of the extension to follow the geometric shape of the plot in alignment with the entrance square. Resolutely contemporary, the new construction takes the form of 2 horizontal slabs, placed on a base of local stone. This horizontal reading is underlined by a generous line of glazing, open to the landscape. From the inside, a metal staircase provides access to the solarium on the green roof, offering a 360-degree view of northern Montpellier. From the terrace of the living space, a few carefully placed steps provide access to the mirror swimming pool, covered in Bali stones. Topographic work between natural terrain and mineral furniture was carried out in order to integrate a convivial space in the heart of the garden. This concrete outdoor furniture creates a link with the ground floor level and the swimming pool. This play of proportions and integration generates an effect of levitation of the house. Reference: CML. Location: Montferrier, France. Year: 2020. Category: house. Status: delivered. Area: 370 square meters. Photographs: Brings.